Tannery Ltd was established in 1953 under the abled vision of Mr. Ehsan Karim, who began operations with a modest production of 60 buffalo hides per day. It was Mr. Iftikhar Amin and Mr. Iqbal Hassan who took on the company's leadership and developed the infrastructure, carving out the path to growth, enabling it to be listed at the BSE in 1993. With the third generation now in business, the company is able to remain updated with the latest technologies and systems and is ready for the future. The undying passion and devotion of the 3 generations of promoters, along with several thousand employees, has led the company to achieve the status of a globally acclaimed leather producer. Super Tannery is self-reliant with a dedicated tannery producing all the required leather for its footwear and accessories units. It is an ISO and SA certified company which now produces 2,000 hides of Indian buffalo and 500 hides of European cow per day. The tannery runs on an all-Italian infrastructure designed for innovation, efficiency and productivity. The company has invested on an ultra-modern effluent treatment plant, along with a fully automated chromium recovery unit, enabling it to meet the most stringent environmental norms of the future. The footwear units of the company conduct their production as per the guidance of a newly built, state-of-the-art designing cell, led by well-qualified shoe technologists and designers. Super Tannery has over 60 Italian cutting machines with a monthly capacity of 100,000 pairs. The company also possesses automatic upper stitching machines by Orasol to cater to the highly dynamic and complex stitching operations. With an added capacity of 250 stitching machines, it is able to stitch more than 100,000 pairs of uppers every month. Backed by an ultra-modern leather production, Super Tannery ventured into safety workwear in 1988. It is set up in a 6,000 square metre campus and is equipped with an array of sophisticated German and Italian machinery. The company churns 100,000 pairs of safety and combat footwear in a month. Super Tannery firmly believes in Honourable Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision of Make in India, thereby initiating safety footwear production, catering to all kinds of industries. Super Tannery offers a range of constructions, including DIP, PU, TPU and PVC that comply with international standards. Currently, the company has 3 24 stations fully automatic direct injection Desma machines with both single, double density processing. Since quality is top priority, stringent norms have been laid to monitor quality at various checkpoints. They began production of lifestyle footwear in the year 2004 and now produces 50,000 pairs in a month. Super Tannery was among the first companies of Kanpur to provide certification according to the REACH standards laid down by the European Chemicals Agency. The company is equipped with a dedicated laboratory that tests the products for safety, durability and performance. The laboratory follows protocols described by the EN, ISO and DIN standards. The latest addition to the company is the accessories division that focuses on producing high-quality fashion accessories. Producing 200 bags and 2,000 belts per day, Super Tannery caters to fashion demands around the world. With the help of a dedicated designing cell, the unit is able to conceive latest fashion designs and convert them into tangible products. It is through joint efforts and teamwork between skilled craftsmen and experienced inspectors working on modern machinery that Super Tannery is able to fulfill its customers' demand with highest quality of fashion accessories. company runs an organisation by the name of Amin Welfare Trust, which manages a hospital and a school, besides organising various charitable events around the region. Ehsan Karim Hospital provides medical facilities in the fields of neurology, ophthalmology, dentistry, endocrinology, and pre-post-maternal care. On the other hand, the Super International School is spread across a 9-acre green campus and is equipped with modern infrastructure in line with a constructive approach towards education. Through its sheer hard work and robust performance, Super Tannery has earned numerous accolades by the most prestigious institutions. Super Tannery strives for an even better future by continuous upgradation of its infrastructure and technology. The aim of the company is to provide the best quality products and services at all times.